Hey, what's going on everybody? So in this video, I'm going to show you one of the best methods you can start making money online in 2020 and in 2021. Guys, I've been using this method for a while now, and the best part about it is you don't even need to create any videos, anything like that. And I've been making at least $600 a month with one of my income streams using this method. Now, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you a free way, some free resources to kind of help you get started and walk you through the whole process. So if you stick to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to this free guide that I have for you guys. Now, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. Guys, the main goal of my channel is to help you build a passive income business so you can achieve financial freedom. Guys, I went from an electrical engineer to a full-time affiliate marketer within 9 months. So I want to help you do the same thing. If your main goal is to, leave your job or just, create more income in your business, in your life, that's the main goal of my channel, and to help you with affiliate marketing. Okay. Now we're going to be promoting a specific program in this video. Okay. Now this program is called ClickFunnels. You may or may not have heard of it. I'm going to kind of go into it. But basically, it's one of my favorite affiliate programs to promote, and I'm going to show you exactly why, all right? So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to show you kind of the back end of my ClickFunnels account. Now, this is not one of my main programs that I promote. This is just something I promote kind of on the side, but I still make about $600 per month. So as you can see in the back office here, I got about $600 pending, and then last 30 days about $550. Okay, so I make about $600 per month. Nothing crazy, but this is something that, like I said, this is just one of my 20 plus income streams, and it's a great way you can start making money because they have so many options for you to promote. Right? They have this funnel challenge here. So if I go to this link here, I can see how much I get paid with this particular program here, right? So I can get paid $100 for that there, right? So if I go down, there's this traffic secrets book here. You can see I've actually sold quite a few of these ones here, so 159 units. And I've made about, almost $3,000 just by selling a book. Okay, so this is another option here. Here's the one funnel away challenge. So if I go here, I can see how much I can make with this particular program here. So you can see $100 per sale on this. Okay, so tons of options, tons of things you can sell. You can actually even sell the software itself. If you don't know what ClickFunnels is, it's basically a software that helps you build simple websites. It's a program I use in my business. As you can see here, I've made almost $4,000 with the actual program. Okay, so as you can see right there. All right, so tons of different options. You can see they have different books they sell, different things. Okay, now I'm going to show you exactly how you can sell like every single one of these products and how you can start making money with these products. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go to Google and just type in ClickFunnels affiliate program. And basically, you can start making up to 40% commissions depending on where you're at. Now, I'm assuming you guys are complete beginners. You're just starting to promote this. So to promote the actual software, you need at least $1,000 of sales to promote the actual software, which is perfectly okay because we can promote other products with this program here. Okay, so just go to this website here. If you go to ClickFunnels and you go to the bottom, or you go to whatsyourdreamcar.com, you can actually go here, and this is going to be the actual ClickFunnels affiliate program. You can fill out your information here and then sign up to be an affiliate. Okay, once you sign up to be an affiliate, you can go ahead and start promoting it. You're going to see this back office here, and you can start choosing the products that you want to promote. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to actually get people to go to your products. And this is a long-term method, guys, but it works amazingly well because it's just proven to work. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started with this method. Okay, now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be targeting these very specific keywords. Okay, people are going and they're typing in things like ClickFunnels versus lead pages versus Kajabi versus Kartra. People are very specific and they're typing in these specific keywords inside of Google. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to focus on the actual keywords that we can rank for, okay, that we can show up at the top of Google. Now, we're not going for these super search term keywords that are going to be really hard to rank. I want to help you if you're a complete beginner and get you started as soon as possible. Okay, now let me show you that I actually do what I preach. Okay, so I actually use this method here. So if you go to my blog, You can see this is my blog here, Passive Income Lifestyles. You can see I use this method, right? So ClickFunnels versus GetResponse, right? I actually, we wrote this article here, ClickFunnels versus Builderall, ClickFunnels for real estate. So you can see I'm actually targeting these very specific keywords that only a few people are searching, but the people that go and click on these keywords, they're going to buy my products, right? So for example, if I click on one of these articles here, this is how I'm making my money, right? I'm going to go down here and for example, right here, okay? So tired of gluing your sales funnel, so try ClickFunnels for free, right? So if I click this here, it's going to be an affiliate link to my product, okay? So also here, you can see that I have get a free 14-day trial of ClickFunnels, right? So I can do the same thing, with this article. I can go back, let's just say I want to promote this funnel challenge here. I can go and grab my link, right? I can click this here. And then I can go ahead and grab my link, right? Get your affiliate link here. Okay, I can get this link and I can go ahead and put this in my articles, right? I can add this, let's just say, right here, I want to add this, link right here. People click on that and I make $100 or whatever it is that I'm trying to sell. So you can see I'm using this method here. Now, how do we actually do this? How do we make this work? I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, okay? So we need a hosting platform. So this is the one I recommend here. It's called Bluehost. This is the one I use for my program, for my website. And I'm going to show you kind of how to get access to this in just a little bit, but this is what I would recommend, and it's not that expensive, guys. You can literally have your business up and running for literally $4 a month, okay? So doesn't take a lot of money to get started with this method, okay? And this is affiliate marketing, okay? This is how I was able to quit my job within 9 months of starting my business. Now, how do we actually find these super niche down keywords? We're gonna go to a website called answerthepublic.com, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and type in here ClickFunnels, okay? Because that's the keyword we're searching, all right? We're gonna type in ClickFunnels and it's gonna spit out a ton of different ideas, okay? So I already have this up for you guys. So you can see ClickFunnels here. Now it's going to give you a ton of data. Okay, so you can see here, it says here ClickFunnels, how to delete a funnel, ClickFunnels, how to clone a funnel. You can see all these keywords that people are typing in. Okay, now what I like to do is kind of scroll to the bottom here. I'm going to show you kind of a secret. You might have seen Answer the Public, but let me show you a secret here that I've been using myself. Okay, now you can see here it's got different keywords. And, people are typing in different things, right? So what I like to do is look for the keywords that don't have a ton of search volume, okay? And what I mean by search volume is how many searches per month are these people searching these things, right? So like, for example, ClickFunnels email automation, you can see 140 searches per month, right? People are searching this 140 times. Now, how to actually get this to show up, okay? I use a tool called Keywords Everywhere. So right here, it's a Google Chrome extension, and basically it gives you how much searches per month on every specific keyword. Okay, this is an awesome tool. I love this tool so much because it gives you a ton of data. Now, what I like to do is look for the keywords that are very specific. Okay, so I'm going to go down and look for very, very specific keywords here. Okay, so I like to, get maybe 50 to 100 searches per month, even lower than that if you want to be very specific, okay? So for example, right here, ClickFunnels One Funnel Away Challenge, right? You can see here that this one has 90 searches per month. And that means it's not that hard to rank for. You're going to be able to rank for it because not a lot of people are going to make a lot of content around this stuff. People are going for the huge keywords, right? Like the 100,000 searches per month, right? Now, obviously that's ideal. We would want to get up to that, we're getting 100,000 clicks per month, but it takes a while, okay? Especially if you're just starting out. So you want to focus on these very specific keywords, okay? These very specific ones, right? So this one here might be a little too hard, right? 18,000 searches per month might be too much, especially if you're just starting out, okay? So how do we actually do this? Basically, we're going to write an article based on the keywords that we want to search for, okay? So I'm going to go back into my back end here and let me kind of explain how this works just so it makes more sense. All right. So we're focusing on very specific keywords, right? So the main thing is I only need 10 to 20 views per day to make a pretty decent amount of money, right? Like I don't need these very massive volume type keywords. We just want to focus on 10 to 20 searches per day. And the way it works is just the more articles we write, the more money we're going to make in the long run. Okay. So even if you had 100 articles, that gets 1 view per day, right? It doesn't sound like a lot. That's still 100 views a day. So we're focusing on mass volume. With this method though, you can very easily get at least 10 views a day. Okay. So, the more articles you write, let's just say 100 articles, at 10 views a day, that's 1,000 views a day, guys. Imagine the sales you can get with this. Now, obviously it takes time to write these articles. I mean, you can hire other people to do them. But, if you're just starting out, you might want to just do them yourself, understand the process. Once you get these articles up and running, you're going to start making a ton of money, guys. And that's just the way it is. Like, people are searching for this stuff. You know that because we did the research here. So now all we got to do is write articles about these products, okay? Now, let me kind of explain how you can kind of do this, all right? And how you can almost guarantee to get at the top of Google, all right? So I'm going to go and I'm just going to show you an example of one article that's doing very well. Okay, so I'm going to do this ClickFunnels versus GetResponse. You see, I've done this already with this article here. Okay, so you can see this. I'm going to actually go and edit this article. I'm not going to do one from scratch. I just kind of want to show you some things that I do to make my articles show up at the top. All right, so the first thing inside of my blog is that I have a tool called Rank Math. Okay, so I'm going to go down here and I'm going to show you why I like this tool. Okay, I'm going to go all the way down and I'm going to show you this tool here. Okay, so you can see Rank Math SEO. This is a free tool, and what it does is it gives me this score, right? So it gives me this score and tells me your article is a 90 out of 100. That means I'm focusing very specifically on this keyword ClickFunnels versus GetResponse. So it tells me what I need to do to get a higher score. And I really love this tool because it tells me what I need to do. Okay. So it needs to say, focus your keyword in the title, right? So if I go up to the title, you can see my focus keyword is right here, right? ClickFunnels versus GetResponse. It's also right here, ClickFunnels versus GetResponse. It's also in my permalink here, ClickFunnels versus GetResponse. So I'm optimizing for this keyword. If you can optimize for that keyword, Google knows where to put your article inside of the search, right? That's all we're doing, right? So you can see another ClickFunnels versus GetResponse, right? So throughout this whole thing, I've really focused on that keyword, right? So I'll even have it throughout here, right? ClickFunnels and GetResponse here. So you can see I have the keywords sprinkled out throughout the whole article. Now, what I don't do is I don't keyword stuff, right? I don't say it like 100 different times. It's natural within my language, okay? Now you can see here, this is where I make the money, right? This is where I actually get my link to the products I'm promoting, right? This is my link to my products, okay? To my affiliate link, okay? This is going to be my link here, and that's how I make my money. But what you want to do is focus on these actual articles and make more of these articles, as many as you can, right? Go back to Answer the Public, and literally you can write an article for every single one of these things, right? And what I like to do is go to Google and just get an idea of someone doing a similar article and just model it, right? Model what they're doing in your own words, okay? So this is the strategy here, guys. It works amazingly well. You don't have to create any videos. And, you can make a ton of money with this because the more articles you write, the more money you're going to make. It's just the numbers game. Like, this is almost a guaranteed way to get you out of your job. If you don't want to create TikTok videos, YouTube, this is a great way for those people that just don't want to create any content, don't want to be on camera. This is one of my favorite methods. Okay. Now, I have a step-by-step guide to kind of walk you through how to do this, right? So how do we create the website? How do we create the articles? How to do every single step, right? So I actually have something for you guys. And this is, for staying till the end of the video, guys, I have this for you guys. Okay, this is my step-by-step affiliate marketing guide. This is going to take you through A to Z how to get started. Okay, now this is absolutely free for you guys. And the goal is to help you start this blog, this affiliate blog, to start your business. Okay, now this is going to be completely free for now. So guys, make sure to take advantage of this opportunity, and you can see here, this is step by step walking you through the whole process here. Okay, so you even get daily emails if you want the daily email guides. You have an official support group for this. Literally everything you need to get started, right? Even up to choosing your niche. I have getting your own website. Like I literally walk you through how to start your own website. And I even have a step-by-step written guide right here on how you can create your own website. Let's just say you didn't want to watch the video and you wanted the written guide. I actually have a written guide for you right here, literally showing you step-by-step how to create the website, okay? Step by step. So I don't leave you guys hanging. I have everything for you inside of here, okay? Now, if you want access to this free guide, make sure to go to the link in my bio. It'll be, I'll just put something like free affiliate website guide down in the description below, and you guys will have access to this guide. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Shoot me a comment down below. Like this video. It really helps me grow on YouTube, guys. I would really appreciate that. But I promise you, if you take action on these methods that I'm teaching you, you're gonna see results. It's just math, guys. It's the numbers game, okay? So if you guys can use this method and actually take action, I promise you will see results, okay, guys? So anyways, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll talk to you guys soon.